Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best art set is probably one of the most exciting and engaging gifts you can give to a 7-year-old girl, sparking creativity and providing hours of artistic exploration, making it a fantastic choice for birthdays, holidays, or just because. This comprehensive set is designed to inspire young artists, offering a wide array of colorful and high-quality supplies that encourage them to express themselves through drawing, painting, and crafting, ensuring a memorable and enjoyable experience that fosters their imagination and fine motor skills development. Number 5. Unicorn Water Bottle Decorating Kit for Girls. Transform a plain water bottle into a dazzling, personalized masterpiece. It's easy to peel, stick, and decorate with sparkling gems, colorful stickers, and fun charms. This all-inclusive kit provides everything needed for a magical crafting experience. You'll find a water bottle, unicorn charms, gemstone stickers, vinyl stickers, and a sparkly wristlet. Delight any unicorn fan with this unique and practical gift. It's a fun, creative present that's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Customize your bottle with waterproof, easy-to-peel stickers that stay put. The leak-proof lid is designed for little hands, and the wide mouth makes cleaning a breeze. Crafted with BPA-free, non-toxic materials, this water bottle is designed with your child's safety in mind. It's rigorously tested to meet strict international toy safety standards. Encourage creativity while promoting healthy hydration habits. This craft kit is a fantastic way for kids to express themselves and stay refreshed. What we like. This kit allows girls to create their own unique unicorn-themed water bottle. It comes with everything needed, including sparkly gems and charms, to make a personalized accessory. If you're looking for a creative and practical gift that encourages hydration and artistic expression, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The doll has a beautiful design and comes with a variety of accessories that enhance playtime. It's a durable toy that has withstood rough play from my daughter. The interactive features of the doll keep children engaged for hours. Number 4. Hollyhi 58 PCS Kids Washable Makeup Toy Set. Discover a world of beauty with this comprehensive makeup kit designed just for kids. It includes everything needed for imaginative play, from eyeshadows and lipsticks to brushes and nail polish. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials, this pretend makeup set is safe for your child's skin. It's easy to wash off with soap and water, ensuring no mess or stains. This compact set comes with a stylish carrying case, keeping all the makeup neatly organized and ready for play. It's perfect for storage and travel, preventing loss or damage. Encourage your child's creativity with this fun makeup kit. It helps develop fine motor skills and allows them to explore endless possibilities while pretending to be just like mommy. Looking for a special gift? This makeup toy set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for children aged 3 to 12. Fulfill their princess dreams with this delightful present. Experience the joy of real makeup play without the worry. Everything in this set is washable, making cleanup a breeze after hours of creative fun. What we like. This is a comprehensive makeup set designed for children, featuring real yet washable cosmetics. It's made with safe materials and comes with a convenient carrying case. If your child loves to play dress up and experiment with makeup in a safe and organized way, this kit is perfect for them. What people say. The doll is very pretty and has a lot of accessories. My daughter loves this doll, she plays with it all the time. This doll is well made and durable. Number 3. Kids Digital Video Camcorder Camera. Looking for a special gift for a child aged 3 to 8? This upgraded digital camera is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's made with safe, eco-friendly materials and features a 2.0-inch screen, making it ideal for capturing their first photos and videos. This toy camera takes amazing photos and videos, far better than others on the market. It can record in 1080p HD and has an 8x digital zoom, so they can capture every wonderful moment clearly, whether they're boys or girls. This isn't just a camera, it's packed with fun. It can take photos, record videos, and even play games, including motion-controlled ones. With 28 scene selections for photos, they can get creative and then easily share their masterpieces by downloading them to a computer. Designed for little hands, it's simple to turn on and start taking pictures. It has a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts for hours and comes with an SD card. Just remember, adults should handle the charging process. It's super light and small, easy for kids to carry anywhere. It even comes with a lanyard so they can wear it around their neck, making it simple to capture the fun scenes they discover in nature. What we like. This digital camera is designed specifically for young children, offering HD video and photo capabilities with a fun, cartoonish design. It's durable, easy to use, and rechargeable, making it great for capturing memories on the go. If you want to encourage your child's interest in photography and videography in a child-friendly way, this camera is an excellent option. What people say. This is a great gift for girls 7 years old. It is very well made and durable. The product is very engaging and keeps my daughter entertained for hours. The colors are bright and attractive. It's a perfect gift for a 7-year-old girl. She loves the interactive features and how it encourages creativity. Number 2. MINGKIDS Star Night Light Projector. Introducing the MINGKIDS Star Night Light Projector, designed to create a magical atmosphere for children. It's perfect for helping little ones drift off to sleep. This projector features a smart timer with multiple presets, allowing you to control the duration of the light show. It also offers white noise and soothing light options to combat night anxiety and create a calming environment. Transform any room into an enchanted space with its galaxy and ambient lighting modes. Choose from 16 dynamic colors and adjust the brightness to protect delicate eyesight, making it ideal for toddlers. Effortlessly control all the settings from across the room with the premium remote control. It offers convenient charging options via USB-C or batteries, making it a parent's top choice. With its adorable kawaii mushroom design, this projector is not only a functional night light but also a charming room decor piece. It comes gift-ready, making it the perfect present for birthdays and holidays. This star projector encourages independent use and boosts STEM skills with its child-friendly controls. Most children can master its settings quickly, promoting learning through play. What we like. This star night light projector creates a magical ambience with galaxy and moon patterns, offering multiple color and brightness options. It also includes a sleep aid function with white noise and a timer, perfect for helping children fall asleep. If you're looking to create a dreamy and calming atmosphere in a child's bedroom, this projector is an ideal choice. What people say. The doll is well made and durable, perfect for active play. Comes with a variety of accessories that encourage imaginative play. The doll's hair is soft and easy to style, allowing for creative fun. Number 1. Just my style. Color your own unicorn messenger bag. Get ready to create a masterpiece. This messenger bag is your canvas, waiting for your unique touch. Let your imagination run wild with vibrant colors and sparkling gems. Color the front flap with fun designs, from magical unicorns to dazzling jewels. Make it truly yours with a personalized look that reflects your style. This kit comes with everything you need to get started. You'll find 5 bright permanent markers and sparkling adhesive gemstones to make your creation shine. The adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit for everyone. Wear it your way, whether you're heading to school or out for errands. Combine your creativity with everyday use. This bag is perfect for carrying all your essentials while showcasing your amazing artwork. It's a fantastic craft activity for kids ages 6 and up. Give the gift of creativity and fun with this personalized messenger bag. What we like. This messenger bag offers a fun, hands-on craft activity where kids can personalize their own unicorn-themed bag. It comes with markers and gems for decoration, and an adjustable strap for a comfortable fit. If your child enjoys arts and crafts and wants a stylish, personalized bag for school or outings, this is a wonderful gift. What people say. The dress is beautiful and fits perfectly. My daughter loves the unicorn design and wears it all the time. It's a great quality dress and has held up well after multiple washes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.